Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be my June bingo video. If you guys are new to my channel or new to these videos, what I do and what I've been doing for a year and a half now is I will each month create basically it's a bingo card where I write down some goals for the month to get me out of my comfort zone, to spend some more do some more self-care, spend some more time with myself or my kids, or whatever it is that I'm feeling like I need to work on that month. I will create a bingo card, and basically it's just where I write down my goals, and then every time I do something, I will put a sticker on there to, reward myself. And then, obviously, at the end of the month, if I have gotten all of the things, I just celebrate, and I keep every single one of these bingo cards as well. So I can go back because I am on a glow up journey. I've been healing for years, and it's probably going to take even more years, but I am loving to see my progression and how far I have come in my self-love journey and my healing journey and my glow up journey. I am that girl. This is that girl era for me. It is my soft girl, it girl, that girl era. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, you already know what to do. And if you don't, then like this video and also leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be. Your life, the weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, brave. disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. The root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, yeah, you got to save yourself. Save yourself. Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be in your life. The weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel. It's right there, now just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. So baby, get up, 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 up. No, don't you stay down, 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 down. Now lift yourself up, 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 up. Baby, baby, get up, baby, get up. The brighter you're shining, the darkest skies get. So used to be hiding behind your fears, but from my perspective, you got just what it takes. You're in control here, don't you forget. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel. It's right there, now just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. And baby, get up. No, don't just stay down. And lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get. So baby, get.
If you are struggling with forgiveness, this is an incredible book/journal that I highly recommend. My son gave this to me for Mother's Day, and I will definitely be journaling in this every day. It's so good. So let's go ahead and mark this off my bingo card. Comment down below right now and let me know, do you think I'm going to finish this bingo card out for June? We are more than halfway through the month. So let me know if you think that I am going to finish it or not. Okay, so July wasn't as successful as I had hoped. I didn't even get one bingo, but it's okay. The things that I did do, I'm really proud of. And I'm really proud of the fact that I did not emotionally eat at all in the month of June. So I call that a win. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, I didn't get as much as I wanted to get done, but I'm proud of what I did get done. It wasn't a lot, but June was a lot. June was just a lot. I'm just gonna say that. But I already have July's made, and I'm super excited for July's. July's is gonna be fun. I mean, that one was fun too, but I have a feeling that July's is for sure gonna get fully covered. Hope. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, do all of the things so that YouTube pushes my videos out for people to see. And if you guys want to see July's video, definitely do all the things, because really I see how you guys like a video based on the engagement, the views, the CTR, all that stuff. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.